Hi, my name's Andy Schoenberg. I'm a two-time Emmy Award-winning makeup artist, and currently I'm the CAO at Cinema Makeup School. Recently we had a class I conducted of makeup effects for a couple of airmen who are moulage artists in the Air Force. So I trained them in some advanced techniques to make their wounds look better for battle simulations, etc. On the last day of class, we went to Vincent Van Dyke's studio, and Vincent gave us a personal tour of the studio, and the gentleman loved it. Here's a little video from that trip.
I'm Vincent Van Dyke. I'm a prosthetic designer and owner of Vincent Van Dyke Effects, and we are here to give a tour to these fine gentlemen.
Stephen Rybecki, Air Force, work over at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base in Tucson. We're just here today getting a tour of the place to just get a better idea and feel for special effects and learning different wound patterns, and just learn how to apply it and add that realism to our training.
It's insane what's going on, what they do in here. You can see all the time that's spent making these molds and these wounds. They're true professionals.
Yeah, we just want to send a huge thanks to Cinema Makeup School for helping setting this up and training us for the past week and a year ago when we came for another training. It's been incredible. We've learned so much, and definitely taken a lot back and received positive feedback.